We have some great news for Disney enthusiasts. Walt Disney World has unveiled several exciting promotions for 2025, making your dream vacation more magical and affordable. Hello, Disney friends. I'm Christina from Let's Make Memories Travel, and I'm thrilled to share the latest offerings that can make your Disney vacation even more enchanting. All right, let's dive into it. I'm on Disney's website. You can easily find this if you go to waltdisneyworld.com and then you go into tickets. You can see view specials. We're going to look at the first one. The first one they have right now starts from May 27th of 2025 and goes through September 20th of 2025. So this is a save 50% on select kids ages 3 to 9 tickets. And you can click on the view offer details and it'll bring you in to give you the complete breakdown, what you could add to it, and like all the fine print details. And then you would just click on buy tickets and then pick the date and the ticket you want. Keep in mind that Disney has variable ticket pricing, so it changes based on the date. And then you could select the number of days for that 50% off ticket. So I was looking at, say, a 3-day ticket, just playing around in here. And as you can tell, it starts on May 27th and it's at $78. And then it stays in the 70 ranges for June and July. There is a couple of days that it's up to $80, but nothing too bad. Oh, and it drops down to 60s in August and September. And just keep in mind, it goes through Saturday, September 20th. If you're going with several small kids, this might be an option for you. So this does not include the adult tickets. This is the children's ticket only. And of course, with Disney, the more days you stay, the cheaper the ticket is per day. All right, so let's go back to the offers page. The next offer that just came out was the free Disney dining with select packages. So this is going to go get free dining plan with the purchase of a non-discounted 4-night, 4-day Walt Disney Travel Company room and ticket package. If you decide to go with a room and ticket package, depending on where you stay for the select nights, June 29th through September 30th, 2025, and then October 20th through November 1st, 2025, December 6th through December 22nd, 2025. If you're going through one of these dates and you already plan to stay on property, this may be an offer for you to look at, especially in the fall dates when there's not currently a ticket sale to look at. This could be a great option, especially if you're wanting that Disney dining package. You could get that for free. So if we click into the view offer details, the main thing to keep in mind with this one is it depends on which hotel you stay at on which dining plan you're getting for free. Select Disney Deluxe and Deluxe Villas, and if you click on here, it shows you the list that is included. So if you stay at one of these resorts, you're going to enjoy a free Disney dining plan with your purchase of 4-night, 4-day non-discounted package that includes a room at a select Disney Deluxe or Deluxe Villa resort hotel, and tickets with a park hopper option are available. And then it's these dates. I can't talk today. All right. And then if you're going to stay at one of the All-Stars, Pop Century, Coronado Caribbean, Art of Animation, or the Port Orleans resorts, then you can get the quick service dining plan. So it does go down here. You can click into what's included in the dining plan. All right. So for the Disney dining plan, which you get if you stay at the deluxe resort, you get 1 quick service meal per night, 1 table service meal per night per stay, 1 snack or non-alcoholic beverage per night per stay, and 1 resort refillable drink mug. So if you're planning on doing like you're taking your kids and you want to do some character meals, this really is a great deal. That's the only time that we've ever used the dining plan is when we were going to do several character meals. And then if you're staying at one of the All-Stars and if you're staying at one of the other resorts that we mentioned, then you would get the quick service. So this comes with 2 quick service meals per stay, 1 snack or non-alcoholic beverage per night per stay, 1 resort refillable drink mug. All right, one of the things that we always keep in mind is that there's 3 of us. So for this to make sense, I wanted my daughter to be old enough to where she would have ate enough food for a whole meal. So a lot of times when we go to theme parks, we split meals. So this really wasn't going to save us a lot of money. But you've got some older kids, or you're, like I said, if you're planning to do those character meals, then this is going to absolutely make more sense for your family. All right. The next one is the special summer 3-day, 3-part ticket. So tickets from $89 per day and up, just depending on the day, of course, for admission at Disney's Hollywood Studios, Epcot, and Disney's Animal Kingdom theme parks only. So keep in mind, you do not get to go to Magic Kingdom with this ticket. And it's a date-based ticket with dates starting at April 6th through September 22nd. So if we click on the details, it does say that you can't use this with any other promotion. Reservations are not required. Yeah, and this is just April 6th. So the main thing to keep in mind with this one is that it's going to start at $89 per day, so it depends on the day that you pick. And then also that if you're planning to go to Magic Kingdom, then this is not going to be the offer for you. Unless, of course, that's like going to be your 4th day and you buy like a separate ticket for Magic Kingdom, which may be a very smart idea. I would definitely look into that if I was pricing out tickets. All right, they do have a few room offers available. So early summer room offers save 30% on rooms. This if you're staying 5 consecutive nights or longer for most stays from May 1st to July 31st, 2025. So this is at select Disney Resort Collection hotels. And then if we click into it, it'll show you the resorts and the percentage. So the ones that are up to 35%, this is your resorts included, which is most of your higher end resorts. And then 25%, you've got All-Star Sports in here. Then you have Animal Kingdom Villas, the Port Orleans resorts, Polynesians. And then your 20% is all the other All-Stars, movies, music, art of animation, Pop Century Caribbean, the campsites, and Wilderness Resort. So it does look like they're also giving discounts, like a lesser discount if you're staying 1 to 4 nights. So that's not mentioned in the overall, but if you dig down into it, if you're staying less than 5 nights, I would still look into it. It may make more sense to buy the tickets and the resort separate versus a package, just depending on how many nights you're staying and where you're wanting to stay. And then they have a late summer and fall room offer. It's similar to the summer one, up to 30%, and this is for stays August 1st through October 11th. If you click on view offer, you can see it's similar to 30%. Save 25% for these resorts, and then save 20% for the ones that are left. Last one that I want to show, if you are a pass holder, you can save up to 40% on rooms for stays most nights from June 1st to July 31st. And then you could click in and see what resorts are included. Oh, I'm not a pass holder, so I can't look at that. But if you are, you can go in and see what nights are available and what resorts are included for that discount. These limited time offers are designed to make your Disney vacation more affordable and memorable. At Let's Make Memories Travel, we're here to help you navigate these promotions and plan the perfect trip for your family. So I wanted to make sure that you guys could go in and find the promotions yourself. But if you decide, hey, this is too much, I think I need some help, or I want somebody to break it down more, please reach out. I would love to help you. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.